Hello guys, so these are the butter that I bought from Grande Épicerie de Paris, the Maison Bordier. So what you do is you buy and then ask for vacuum pack sealing. Okay, so each butter costs around €7. You have the demi-sel and slightly salted, and then the self-humid. But there are other, how do you call this, flavors. So each one is €7 and the vacuum packing is €1. Okay guys, that's it. Hi guys, so in Grande Épicerie de Paris, you can buy Maison Bordier, Le Bordier butter. Each butter is €7 to €8. And then you need to ask for vacuum packing, €1. So at checkout, the guy will advise you to buy additional ice or get ice from the fish market, also in the Grande Épicerie de Paris. So I will use this for my bread, for cooking my steak, etc.